Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
E a partir desse momento, tá...
Let's start. First, open any application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project. Add your one photo and add 16 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and type your text. Choose font and style. Now place your text. Now apply text layer till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.